They were once the coolest gadgets everyone wanted, and today some are worth a small fortune. Let's rediscover 17 forgotten retro tech devices that still amaze us. Alright, so first up we have to talk about the one that started it all for portable music, the Sony Walkman. Before 1979, the idea of having a high-quality personal soundtrack you could take with you anywhere was pure science fiction. On the bus, walking through the city, on a run, blue and silver metal case body, the chunky mechanical buttons with a satisfying clunk, the dual headphone jack so you could share your music. It was a masterclass in industrial design. It wasn't just a product, it was a cultural phenomenon that created the market for personal audio on the go, a market worth billions today. Every time you pop in your AirPods for a walk, you're living that legacy. If you have an original TPS L2 in good working condition with original box and accessories, you're looking at a serious collector's item.